Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video.
Today we're going to build a kids picnic table, and I've got less than $30 in these 7-8 foot treated 1x4s. So stick around, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so what have we done so far? We've cut the legs to length, and we've also cut our angles on our legs on the top and bottom. Now these are the same angle, but they're opposing angles, so take note of that when you're cutting these out. Next step is to attach a leg support and then also the seat support. So let's do that now. Okay, so we finished cutting all the parts. We've got the legs that we went over earlier. We've got 4 of those. And we've got the 2 pieces for each side of the legs on top. And we went ahead and cut the angles on those. Now, the legs are the only ones with the opposing angles. The rest of these have the same angle on each side. So it makes it a lot easier. All right, and then we've got the seat supports and the nailer block for those, or screw block. And then we've also got the support angle brackets for under the table. We've got those cut out, and also the tabletop and seats, we've got those cut out. So now we just need to put everything together. We're going to pre-drill, countersink the holes and assemble it, and we'll sand it down, and we should be good to go. So in the build video, you'll notice that I have 3 boards for the tabletop, and it just looked a little off. So I went back into SketchUp and changed it to where it shows 4 boards on top now. And it just looks a lot better, looks cleaner, and it just looks as it should. And so we do have plans for this project, and they're available over on my website at www.stoneandsons.net/plans.
And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.